In the vast expanse of the sea lies a profound lesson, whispered by the waves and carried by the wind. It speaks of a truth that transcends the boundaries of the ocean, reaching deep into the depths of our souls. Listen closely, for the sea does not reward those who are too anxious, too greedy, or too impatient. In a world that moves at lightning speed, where ambition and desire often consume our thoughts, the sea reminds us to pause, to breathe, and to find solace in stillness. It beckons us to shed our worries and anxieties, to release the burdens that weigh us down. For it is in this emptying of ourselves that we create space for something extraordinary to enter our lives, like a beach. We ought to lie empty, open, and choiceless. We must surrender our need for control, for it is only then that we can truly experience the beauty that surrounds us. The sea teaches us the art of waiting, of embracing the unknown with unwavering faith. It is in this patient anticipation that the magic of life unfolds. As we stand on the shore, our hearts aligned with the rhythm of the tides, we become receptive to the gifts that the sea offers. It may come in the form of a seashell, delicately crafted by the hands of nature. Or perhaps it is a moment of clarity, a revelation that washes over us like a gentle wave. Whatever it may be, the sea reminds us that true rewards come to those who are willing to receive them with gratitude and humility. In the vastness of the sea, we find a reflection of our own journey. It mirrors the ebb and flow of life, the highs and lows that shape our existence. It teaches us resilience, as we witness the waves crash against the shore, only to retreat and rise again. And in this dance of nature, we discover the strength to persevere, to weather the storms that come our way. So let us heed the wisdom of the sea, for it holds the key to a life well lived. Let us embrace stillness, emptying ourselves of anxiety, greed, and impatience.